How are you, friends? Today is a wonderful day to learn new words. Are you ready? Awesome. Let's get started. Give. I will give the school project to my teacher today. 1. There is one tree in the park. Soon. My friend will be here soon. Every. I will study every single day. 2. There are 2 ducks in the pond. Once. Once upon a time sounds like the beginning of a great story. Same. My house is the same color. 3. There are 3 cats walking together. Let me see if I can help. Round. The ball is round. Take. I like to take fruit with me for a snack. How? I see how it's done. 4. There are 4 houses on the block. New. I have a new book to read. 8. The lion ate his food quickly. Yes. Yes. I know what place we're in. Friends, you were great. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. I can't wait to learn with you again. Keep being awesome.